This is the data source. Sorry, uh, I would give it a name, sample DB. So let's click on next, then let's click on finish. I think this is the driver which is provided with the sample database, so I don't know this database drivers, but it's giving it by default. And the database user is classic models, database URL this, class this, then we click on finish. So voila, we got a data source, sample DB. Now we will be able to use the data sets, that's the tables inside sample DB. So now let's click on this. Now it's giving me something called this. So I know there's a table called customers inside the data source sample DB. So I click on, I gave it a name customers, then I clicked on next, and now I know like this is the sample DB, the classic models one, and there would be something called the customers database. You go on this classic models, this, now you got the customer table. Now I just drag and drop here, select star from customer models dot customers. So if I want to see the details of this, let's click on finish then. Now I got the details of the output columns, a bunch of this, integer string segment and integer float, display name. If you see this, customer number, customer name, contact last name, contact first name, phone, address line, this. And when I press on OK, I get the details of the customer table. So I want to create a report first, which has these inputs. So first, let's do some designing. So let's go get some grids. So grids are basically for layout purpose. Now it's going to give me number of columns, number of rows, 3. So grids are basically what say a synonym in BIRT for pixels, but they help us in layouting the report. So by default I got 3 columns, 3 rows and 3 columns. So when you go on this, like these are the grids, so you can rearrange them. You can see that the height and pixels is coming. So now let's rearrange them, and I don't want this 3 places in this because I want to put the data the table, customer table inside this, so I will merge them. And this part I want to put a text here or an image here, so I will merge this out. I don't want this part, so I'll merge this. So basically we got this. Now we are in a position to insert the table. Let's insert the table. You know, the data explorer, we just drag and drop the customers here. So you can see we got this here, and I want to insert a heading. Insert, basically you can use the palette and the insert part, so they both work the same way. So you go on this, you insert this, insert, I want to insert a text, so let's insert the text. Now I get some HTML things like h1, h2, but they won't work unless and until you choose HTML here. So let's use h2 with some, I think, got pre. Now I want to say hello, my first report. That would be nice. So okay, now I want to see this, what I have done on the report. So we are on the layout part. Now we'll go on the preview part. It's coming. It's gonna take some time. The data is too much. So you can see the things have come here, but the size is small, still small. That's, I don't know what happened. Let's see. Let's double click on this. Let's remove the tree. I think the tree is creating a problem. Fine is okay. Now let's some space then. Now let's see. Let's preview. Now we got the heading. Now my first report. Okay, so let's go again on layout and let's remove this part. We don't need this. So what can we do? For starters, we can just remove this. Why is the grid not coming? Okay, we got this. Now we're gonna delete it from here. Now we got only 2 rows. So that's it. We got our first report, and we can see it on the web viewer in doc, HTML, PDF, PostScripts, PPT, XLS. I want to see on the web viewer. It's gonna take some time. Just wait for it. So this is the web viewer. That's gonna look on the web server. We got something called the printout. You can take the printout from here. Print report on the server. Export report. We can export in Excel, PDF, PostScript, Word, PowerPoint, and export data. We can export it. And we got something on toggle table of content. This does not apply on this. We run reports. These are the dynamic parameters. The page, if you want the second page, you can go it from here. You can on the first page from here also. We got the first page, and that's it. So basically, we summarized how to create our first sample report. Hope this helps you out, and watch out for my next video. Bye guys. Hope you learned something.